Some people say that's the case of senior man wey be say win for Atlanta. Ekpelege, the one that they call Sunday Oliseh.
Sunday Oliseh.
Yeah. Anyway, I go tell her say the question on ground is this. Make we dissect this matter.
All right.
We've had a few coaches who are inside the national team, the West House of the world, the Lager. I won't call her Lager feed like that designer before. We don't get the more recent generals and whatnot. And everybody get their own thinking. They go call Stephen Ketchy, they go call all the what if you need the small stints. Yep. People say if you even look for the women's side, or might be me, she don't do things. They get the Nabi, they get people where be say don't do foreign and local. There's a case that if you be say you give the patience one they give foreign coaches, now give them to local for don't blow pasta, therefore don't do much better. So the question I go throw again, is sabi or not sabi? Oliseh stand on in full chest to take us say NFF no try. Say this Charlie say not support the motion. Say based on say he's foreign. Give it to local, make local grow local. I mean, you say you sabi defend yourself.
Truth be that because we need to define our football from the grassroots. And from the grassroots, now we will come get our own coaches. From the grassroots, we will come get our own player. From the grassroots, we will come define our own philosophy because Eric Chelle and the rest are just mercenaries. And then they talk about in performance now. And they talk about wetin go make our football grow better. Now say we must grow our cassava, make our garri, they do our own eba. If not, all these mercenaries go just they give us the one we don't resemble.
I like the cassava when you talk. Over to you, advice.
You know what they touch me for Sunday Oliseh case? The name na Sunday. You never talk for the day where name go follow first. That means everything about her left. That's number one. Number two, if you say you be never ever do that job where they talk about now, you the employer as coach, you come as WrestleMania manager.
He wrestle anybody.
You can't fight to
the thing when you fight now against flesh and blood. No, principalities and powers.
They get problem on pitch, no tactics. You understand? You gonna look like who?
Leave the messenger. Focus the message. Sabi.
Now you know, if you sabi, I go start like this. Oliseh as coach go collect foreign badge, call look at coffee.
Now what for yourself?
They
not give her patience.
You get beef with the man.
In a meet.
I beg, daughter, over to you.
For me, Sunday no sabi. You know try. As Wahala don't talk. Person wey occupy position still fail in flying colors. Come the advice, make him fellow colleagues come. When you want me to come fail because if you look the performances of all the coaches, foreign and local, it dey clear. From the West Star of we carry us go walk up for our best finish.
Bofrijo.
AFCON where we don't win. Apart from God rest his soul, in case we don't do well. Others they do the same thing where anybody.
Christian Shuku.
If Wahala coach Super Eagles go win bronze.
I owe you something.
Una not they respect our people. 09048213013. Now the WhatsApp.
Still use home base Sunday Mba and Obuabu and win AFCON.
That's a solid point. Florence or Magbemi.
Anything for us.
West Ham use home base. West Ham use home base. Win AFCON.
Who put Nigeria for world map?
Who put Nigeria for world map? Nigerians.
And why those players wey West Ham bring? Now still give Nigeria a generation of players from the home base where they do well. Mercenaries go always give you mercenary results.
Somebody don't come for inside the WhatsApp. Oh, he say excusez-moi. He say Yanga Sports. Oh, I think wetin Oliseh talk na true. Time to focus on us. Buy local, live local. He say name na Ben.
Grow the naira.
He say so. He don't get 1 point.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.